Hello, so I'm back. So I'm home and I'm not wearing boots today. So this time I'm going to take off my sandal. Oh my god, it's very hot outside and it's working now. So this is my outfit today. So this is my outfit today. My god. It's kind of which I have to move down so that you can see how I take off my heels. So I'm just wearing this outfit. Usually I wear flat sandal like this one, so I also have this one for walking. And for driving, I don't wear heels now for driving, usually only when I have custom video. But message me for that in my Gmail account and I have a very big discount this time, 50% discount for my driving. So anyway, this time I'm going to take off these heels. So help me off my heels. Very easy. It's hard. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and go. So this is my nail colors today, and the other one I have my 2 ring. So I'm gonna take this off. So there it goes. We're home and this is the 2 ring. So I put 3 here and 1 silver, the other one. So this is my nail colors. So that's my foot, tiny feet. So that's all for now, and again, see you next vlog. Bye everyone.